Hey, what's up guys? So the problem I have to solve in this video is this pull chain broke off. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's really easy to do and it only cost me $6. So let's get started. Alright, so the part that we need to replace in order to replace the chain is this little switch in the middle here. And it's very easy to take out. All you need to do is unscrew the screw that holds it on. And then you'll see there's a bunch of wires, but you don't really need to worry about any of them except for this one that's going into the wire nut. And if you're worried about it, you can always take a picture of the way the wires are, so when you put it back in, you do it right. But it's pretty straightforward. Basically what they're doing is they're wiring all of the hots for the light bulbs and then all of the neutrals for the light bulbs. And then there's just two like tails that go up to the fixture. So this is a new part, and you'll see it's just the pull chain switch, and it has two black wires attached to it. Alright, so the wire closest to the pull chain, it's wrapped in with these. Then you put the wire nut on. And then this part drops through the hole. Actually, first you gotta take the cap off. And then it'll drop through the hole. And drop the chain in there. And you screw that piece on. So now we just have to hook it back up to the fixture and we're done. While you're doing this, it's a good idea to check all the screws, like for the fan blades and stuff. When I was taking this apart to get the model number for the part that I just replaced, it actually turned out that some of the fan blades were loose. Like almost loose to the point where they would fall off. It looks like this piece just freaking broke too. That's nice. But it still works, so I'm just going to leave it. So now let's turn the power back on and see if it blows up. So like I said before, it's a pretty simple job. That's all there is to it. You know, it's just replacing a $6 part, and the only tool you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So pretty easy to do. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please hit the like button. Leave me a comment if you want to. I always enjoy reading those. And consider subscribing if you want to see more videos about home improvement and home repair and stuff like that. And I'll put a link to this thing below. Although if you have the same problem, you're probably going to have to dig into the fixture and find the part number because they're not all the same. But for reference, I'll leave this part in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.